All right, if you have pets, kids, dust, allergies, or you live in an RV like me, every smell somehow becomes everybody's problem. So today we're gonna look at this Blue Air Purifier. Now this Blue Air, they've been doing air purifiers for a long time. They have the smaller ones or they have the whole home ones. This is just for a small room, but perfect for an RV of about 500 to 600 square feet. In fact, this RV is probably even smaller than that, but this is perfect for that RV. And if you're living in an RV full time or just taking it camping, you know that if you have an RV that just sits for a while, just storage, you can get rid of that storage, that musty, that smell, especially if you have pets that come in and out. It rains, you're eating, you're camping, you're gonna want an air purifier. And this one looks good as well as works good. It goes up to about just a little over 1,000 square feet. So perfect, like I said, for the RV. The coolest thing about this guy right here is I'm a tech nerd, but you do get an app for that. So let me pull up this app really quick. All right, so you do get an app for that right here. Here is your app. Guess what the app is called? Yep, you guessed it. It's called Blue Air app. Right? So on the app, it does also come with a remote control, but don't ask me where that is. I have no idea because I use the app. So you plug it in, you have, before we jump over to the app, you can do everything without the app. If you're not a tech nerd like me, you can turn it on. Right now, we just have it on auto. Right? You can switch it over to sleep mode. That right there is your Wi-Fi signal. It only works on 2.4 gigahertz, so just know that, which is good because that gives you a little bit more bandwidth or a little bit more coverage on the 2.4. And then you have your 3 speeds, sleep timer, and I just leave it on auto right there. So as simple as that, just press, leave it on auto. But if you really want to get a little bit nerdy, you can on the app. So again, I usually just leave it on auto, all is good, all that kind of stuff. You can actually lock the display, which I do. So I come in here and have this display locked, which means that you can't turn it off on anything like that because it's locked. You see that? I'm trying to turn it off on and you can't change anything because the display is locked. It's saying, nope, we're locked. My kids can't come in here and mess with it and it's gonna just always be on. So that's kind of cool. You can actually turn the brightness down. So up there, if you're like, hey, you're putting it in a room, maybe with a small kid or a baby or whatever, and it's too bright, you want it to turn the brightness down, you can do that. Turn it all the way down if it's in a room and it's keeping you up at night. That's kind of cool too. So the best thing about the app is that when we just replace the filter in here, so we have 100% filter life, but it tells you exactly how much life you have left on the filter. You can buy a filter from the app or you can replace that filter right there. And then you have a settings and you can come in here, change your time zone, all that kind of stuff. The manual's in here. So not a whole lot to be said about the app other than the fact that it's going to notify you when it's time to change an air filter. Now we just changed it out because we're at the beginning of the season. We'll do that every year at the season. We go through and we change all of our filters every camping season, all that kind of stuff. So to do that, it's pretty simple to change this filter. This is just a cloth mesh right here. So this just pulls back. This filter is what you're gonna be changing right here. So it just really does just screw off like this. Screws the top off just like that. Really simple and easy. This just comes off and that pops out and your filter is ready to be changed. Like I said, we just barely changed this out, but how easy is that? And then you just take this off and put a new one on. Super easy to change the filter, super easy to put this back on and to put this back together, and it works really well, right? You're not gonna get that musty, moldy, or that musty smell, the stagnant smells that sometimes you get when the RV sits, gone, right? The smells of a wet dog outside playing in the rain, gone, right? The smells of last night's dinner that overcooked and burned a little bit, gone, right? Have you ever burned popcorn in the microwave? Well, we have, and this takes that smell right out of the way. Ask me how I know. I wish I didn't know the smell of the burnt popcorn. That's the worst sometimes to get out. But this guy gets it out right away. All right, the last thing I'll probably say about the Blue Air is the quality is really good. It works superb for the RV lifestyle. And again, if you have smells that you just want to get rid of, this will get rid of those smells just like that. So the one thing I will say about the Blue Air is that their quality is always really good. It's not something cheap that you feel is going to fall apart. The fact that they give you an app is super cool. So if you're looking for something to get the smell out of your home, your room, your trailer, this one definitely, in my opinion, will get the job done. It does it quickly and it will tackle those nasty smells like burnt popcorn for sure.